This is Christina from Acevacuums. I am going to talk about what is the SEBO SoftCase CE12 Lightweight vacuum. The SEBO SoftCase CE12 Lightweight is a premium upright vacuum cleaner designed in Germany. It offers powerful suction, ultralight handling, and S-class hospital-grade filtration, ideal for allergy-prone homes. Is the SEBO SoftCase CE12 Lightweight vacuum is good for hardwood floors? Yes! The SEBO SoftCase CE12 Lightweight vacuum glides smoothly across hardwood, tile, and laminate with soft wheels and strong suction for debris pickup. Can I use the SEBO SoftCase CE12 Lightweight vacuum for pet hair? Absolutely. Its deep suction and filter system make the SEBO SoftCase CE12 Lightweight is excellent for pet hair and dander control. Where can I buy the SEBO SoftCase CE12 Lightweight vacuum? You can buy the SEBO SoftCase CE12 Lightweight vacuum from SEBO dealer Acevacuums online or at their stores in Fairfax and Leesburg, Virginia. How heavy is the SEBO SoftCase CE12 Lightweight vacuum? It weighs just 11.4 pounds, making the SEBO SoftCase CE12 Lightweight vacuum is one of the lightest full-feature upright vacuums in its class. So, does the SEBO SoftCase CE12 Lightweight vacuum come with a warranty? Yes, it comes with a 7-year motor warranty and 5-year parts warranty when purchased from SEBO dealer Acevacuums. What type of filtration does the SEBO SoftCase CE12 Lightweight have? It features an S-class hospital-grade filtration system, making the SEBO SoftCase CE12 Lightweight is ideal for allergy and asthma sufferers. Does the SEBO SoftCase CE12 Lightweight vacuum use bags? Yes, it uses SEBO Ultra bags, which are hygienic and easy to replace, available at SEBO dealer Acevacuums. Can I get accessories for the SEBO SoftCase CE12 Lightweight vacuum? Yes! SEBO dealer Acevacuums offers compatible attachments like dusting brushes, crevice tools, and more. Is the SEBO SoftCase CE12 Lightweight vacuum better than a cordless vacuum? While cordless vacuums offer convenience, the SEBO SoftCase CE12 Lightweight vacuum delivers stronger, longer-lasting cleaning power with better filtration. Ready to experience the SEBO SoftCase CE12 Lightweight vacuum? If you're looking for a premium upright vacuum that's lightweight, allergy-safe, and engineered to last, the SEBO SoftCase CE12 Lightweight #94251 AM is the ultimate choice. Whether you're cleaning hardwood, carpets, or pet-friendly spaces, this vacuum delivers powerful professional results, all in an ultralight design. Available now at SEBO dealer Acevacuums, this model is backed by expert support, genuine accessories, and a full manufacturer warranty. Shop with confidence, knowing you're purchasing from an authorized SEBO dealer with over 15 years of customer trust. Order today from SEBO dealer Acevacuums. In-store demos at our Fairfax and Leesburg, Virginia locations. Fast nationwide shipping on all SEBO vacuums. Certified repair and support services available. Same-day availability while supplies last. Call Acevacuums at 703-997-9292.